now we start working with the page number 59 of your workbooks. So please open to this page. Are you there yet? Well, we are going to start with the unlikely conditions or improbable conditions. What would you do? So which conditional is this? The 0, the first, the second, or the third conditional? Good. This is the second conditional, remember, for unlikely or impossible conditions. Would, and then you use the simple past. What would you do if, the next part here, we write the simple past sentence. So we are going to read the social dilemmas from number 1 to number 7, and we are going to put the verbs in parentheses in the correct form. You found a wallet with $20 in it and no name inside. So you're going to write the correct form of these verbs in parentheses to complete the sentences. Make a pause and do this part. Ready? So all these all these verbs, you wrote them in simple past because they are improbable conditions. What would you do if? So now we are going to read the responses. Here, I'm using the contraction of would. I would tell. Instead of writing would, you write just the apostrophe and then the letter D. I would tell, or I'd tell her to stop all contact with him. If she, in second conditional form, next to if, you write the simple past and then you write would. So, if she wasn't or weren't. Correct. If she weren't careful, you don't write weren't be. If you weren't careful, she could get into a lot of trouble. Aquí nos está diciendo que utilicemos el can. So could get a lot into trouble. So you're going to complete the other sentences. Remember, they are responses for this 7. So you're going to write these sentences, and when you finish, you are going to take a picture of this piece of paper, this page, and I was forgetting this part. Match the responses when you finish completing the sentences. For example, number 1 is letter D. So when you finish this, you're going to take a picture and send it to the WhatsApp group. Okay? See you. Goodbye.